Monday. Just left the gym. I'm exhausted. I took 2 weeks off. Why did I do that? I don't know. Got on the treadmill. Couldn't do 30 minutes, y'all. Normally I do an hour, but I couldn't do 30 minutes. That's never happening again. Got a lot going on at the house. I was getting my papers done, so I couldn't go. But last week, no excuse. So I started off fresh this morning. Went this morning, dropped my daughter to school and daycare. And I said, I'm going to the gym today. I need to go to at home. Time to decorate the house for the summer. I got some pillow covers on Amazon. Now, last night was amazing. We had an amazing time. Yesterday was Father's Day. So the plan is I want to decorate outside my home. Like, this is cute. I think I like this one here. Welcome. There's another one over here I like. It says Hello Summer. Let's see what else they have. Oh, this is cute. Probably could do 2 of these. Like this. I like this. This is so beautiful. Like the details of it. Price of this is $24.99. So this one looks so good. I like this one as well. Ah, which one should I do? I think I'm gonna do this one. I found some more welcome signs. This one says Hello Summer. I like this one. This one is cute. I kind of like this one with this. Hello Summer. With this one right here. This is cute too, but I like this detail right here. So I'm gonna go with that one. Both $24.99. But I like this one better with this here. Alright, I think that's it. I think that's it for the house. I did. Getting the house ready for summer. Alright, this is the sign. Oh, it looks dark. Hold on.
That's the interior.
Go here. There we go. Okay. This will be the front door sign. Hello Summer. That's the back right here. Boom. And just like that. And this was $24. Focus. This was $24.99. 25 bucks for this. All right, guys, I still got a lot of cleaning to do. I still got food, a lot of leftover food from yesterday. Last weekend I had guests over and I have to go ahead and clean out and sanitize my guest room. So this is how it looks right now because I had guests here. So I'm about to strip all that stuff out and get the room organized. Still got the air mattress on the floor, so I gotta get that up. This is what the room looks like. Okay, so let's get started. So I leave a basket in the room for my guests. It has body wash, mirror, what is this? Hand wipes, alcohol, lotion, bandage, everything you can think of that you know a guest would need. I have it all in here. Toothbrush. The only thing I have to put in is toothpaste. I have chapstick. So it was a 3-pack, so there's one more left in here. I just gotta restock it and put some more. I gotta put toothpaste and kind of organize this.
see what you did. You ruined me for everybody. You ruined me for everybody. Bye-bye, good riddance for the last time. So you can try, maybe get it right next time. Different time, maybe then you can be mine.
NessaBabies, that is all for this vlog. Thank you all for watching. So I'll see you all on the next one. Love you guys. Mwah.
Babylon tricks where you put up on me. Cause back then I was very lonely. I still am, I'm just trying to find peace every day. My heart is on holiday. Still gives me sleepless nights. Sometimes I wonder how